Hello everyone. Today, oh, you guys aren't in the shot. I'm just filming myself. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So we're making a video today as my wonderful students requested. What kind of a video are we making, guys?
Unboxing.
Did you just say I don't know?
Unboxing.
Okay, so I'm gonna need some help here, kids, because I've never done an unboxing video before. So let's put the camera right here. Here, let's put something like, yeah. Okay, that's not Rick. That's Scientific Grandpa.
No, it's Rick.
It's Rick. Oh!
That dude is gonna have scientific.
Oh, that's my baby. That's Luca. We can talk about the animals at another time. Today's episode, we're unboxing. Here, you know what? One of you guys, can you hold it?
How about someone be the camera?
There you go.
She's the camera woman.
And it's fixed. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing a thing that's in this box.
A magical box.
Right, boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay, so this is.
It's a magical box.
Let's look at the box first. Ooh, I already opened it. Did I mess up?
Yes. Maybe.
The box was already open. Okay, let's open it again. This is an Acer Tab 10 Chromebook.
Even though it's not.
But like, where's the other half? Because like Chromebook, like a book is supposed to like be a book. This is like, where's the keyboard? Where's the other half? You know, like Chromebook is like.
I think Google failed this time.
No, it's a tablet. It's not like a regular Chromebook. It's a tablet. So we open the box. It says, please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card.
Like this?
I think our Google overwords.
I think we broke it.
No, we haven't. This is what you always have.
This is what we do? Okay, let's do it. We need the recovery USB stick or SD card. Is that in the box?
Someone check.
Maybe we need to continue unboxing so we have all the pieces. What's this?
Conspiracy theory.
Federal Communications Commission Declaration of Conformity.
I don't think that's
This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. I don't think this is an SD card, kids.
Oh no, that's depressing.
Wait,
Or a
someone read
USB
the
stick.
Very
instructions.
depressing. Instructions.
Are there directions?
Yes, setting on the back. People on the back. Setting up.
To a network. It says setting.
Okay, we did that.
Then it said sign in with your Google account.
Okay, boys and girls, we're gonna have to come. We'll be right back. We're having technical difficulties, but we unboxed. Look, we took it out of the box. There was a thing in the box, and we took it out of the
They're
box.
selling Samsung chargers.
Okay, boys and girls, let's say goodbye. Say goodbye, everybody.